To open manual sliding doors, pull the handle on the inside or outside of the door while pulling the door toward the rear of the vehicle. The sliding door will latch at the fully opened or closed position. If so equipped, you can open or close the power sliding door using the door handles, the sliding door switch, the intelligent key, or the sliding door one-touch switch. The power door main switch is located on the lower left side of the instrument panel. When this switch is in the off position, the power sliding doors can only be operated manually. To operate power sliding doors, place the transmission in park or turn the vehicle's engine off, check that the fuel filler door is closed, and then unlock the doors. To open a sliding door, press the open side of the switch on the instrument panel, the door pillar, or the button on the intelligent key if so equipped, for a period of time. You may also pull the inside or outside door handle until you hear a buzzer and the door will automatically open. If you push any of these switches while the door is moving, the door will reverse direction. To close, press the close side of the switch on the instrument panel, the door pillar, or the button on the intelligent key for a period of time, or pull on the door handle until you hear a buzzer. To use the sliding door one-touch unlock open function, if so equipped, press the sliding door opener switch on the outside of the door while carrying the intelligent key with you, and the sliding door will open automatically. To close the sliding door, press the opener switch on the door again. When you close the door using this function, the door will not automatically lock. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.